In this video, we are going to learn about the art of mixing the two formulas into one, combining the multiple formulas into one so that we can save some space and also extra columns. So here in the previous example, we have seen that we had the total sales of each customer, on the basis of which we have extracted the discount percentage that is applicable based on their level or minimum purchase, and we have offered them some discount percentages. But let's say that I just want to extract a discount amount in total and I don't want to create a separate column based on percentages. So instead of creating a new column for discount amount, we want to extract it in the same column in which we have already applied read lookup to extract the percentage. And after that, since this is a percentage, we want to see the result of it. I'll just hold the Fn key and press F9 and you will see that 10% is applicable. You can see this little tip here, and that can be only seen in the latest version of Office and not in the previous versions. So we are using 2024 version. So this means that this formula extracts the percentage. After that, what we can do is just to extract the total amount, we can just multiply it by the total sales. So you have the choice. If you want to apply it in the starting, you just select this cell and multiply it by the percentage, because this one extracts the percentage. So total sales multiplied by percentage give us a direct result. After that, we just have to remove the percentage formula and you calculate this in numbers or accounting, whatever you want. I'll just extract this in numbers, just double click to send it down, and we have a direct discount amount now. So this is just a basic on how you can mix the two formulas or combine the two formulas into one to save space and extra columns. Now, if I want to remove or reduce the decimal places, just select the whole column, go to the Home tab and just click on this increase or decrease decimal places, and we can reduce the extra decimal places. Similarly, if you want to convert this zeros into dash, which looks more professional, you can turn it into a comma style, which will show you amounts like this. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.